Why use two devices when all you need is one? Ta-da! Meet the all-new HP Pavilion X2. It's the tablet that doubles as a notebook. Just attach the keyboard and voila! This tablet becomes a full-featured notebook with a click. I'm always multitasking, and the quad-core processor and Windows 8.1 makes it easy to get everything done. With 2 adjustable modes, I've always got the perfect view. Or if I really want to relax, it's tablet mode for me. I can catch my favorite movies on the 10-inch touchscreen or play for up to 11 hours on a single battery charge. When it's time to get back to work, the full-size keyboard gives me a real notebook feel. It's perfect for when I'm working in Microsoft Office 365 Personal, which comes free, by the way. Oh, and did I mention how great it looks? I got to pick my favorite softcover color. It goes with everything, especially my busy life.